Dude tries TikTok fitness hack. Pulls muscle instantly. Daniel had always been curious about fitness, but he was not the kind of guy who went to the gym regularly. Most of his knowledge about exercise came not from professional trainers or health books, but from the endless scroll of videos on his phone. Every evening, he would watch short clips of influencers demonstrating life-changing fitness hacks. They made everything look so easy. One day, Daniel came across a viral TikTok video that promised the ultimate core workout in just 1 minute. The influencer on screen was lean, confident, and smiling, performing a complicated move that looked like a mix between a push-up and a yoga pose. The video had millions of views, thousands of comments, and captions full of praise. People swore it gave them abs in weeks. Daniel thought to himself, if all these people can do it, so can I. Without much thought, he stood up, cleared a small space in his living room, and prepared to try it out. He had no mat, no warm-up, and no idea of the proper form. He simply replayed the video, paused at certain moments, and copied what he saw. At first, Daniel placed his hands on the floor and lifted his legs awkwardly, trying to balance like the influencer. His body wobbled as he struggled to keep steady. He laughed nervously, saying out loud, "This is harder than it looks." Then, determined not to quit, he tried to push further. Arching his back and twisting his legs, just like in the video, that is when it happened. A sharp pain shot through his lower side. Daniel gasped and fell to the floor, clutching his hip. His laughter turned into groans. The so-called 1-minute workout had lasted less than 10 seconds, and he was already injured. He lay there staring at the ceiling, feeling both foolish and frustrated. After a few minutes, Daniel slowly pulled himself up and hobbled over to his couch. He sat there holding his side, replaying the moment in his mind. The influencer had looked effortless, almost graceful. But Daniel realized that what appeared simple on screen was not simple at all. Behind those polished videos were hours of practice, trained muscles, and likely even editing. He opened the TikTok app again and scrolled through the comments. Buried beneath the praise, he noticed some warnings he had ignored earlier. A few viewers had written things like, "Tried this, hurt my back," or "Not safe without guidance." Daniel sighed. He wished he had paid more attention. Pain was not unbearable, but it was enough to keep him from moving comfortably. He decided to take the rest of the evening off, placing a bag of ice on his side and reflecting on what he had done. The next day, Daniel told his friend Marcus about the incident. Marcus was a regular at the gym and could not stop laughing when he heard the story. "Man, you cannot just copy random TikTok hacks without warming up or knowing the basics," Marcus said. "That is like trying to run a marathon without ever jogging before." Embarrassed but wiser, Daniel admitted his mistake. "I thought it would be easy," he said. "The video made it look like anyone could do it." Marcus shook his head. "That is the thing about social media. It shows the highlight, not the reality. Real training takes time, patience, and proper guidance. Those flashy moves are for entertainment, not for beginners like us." Daniel decided from that day forward to take fitness more seriously. Instead of chasing shortcuts on his phone, he asked Marcus to help him build a beginner routine. They started small, with basic stretches and simple exercises that would not cause injury. It was not glamorous or viral, but it was safe and effective. Whenever Daniel scrolled past another dramatic TikTok fitness hack, he could not help but laugh. He would remember that sharp pain and remind himself that there are no shortcuts in fitness. Progress requires consistency, not tricks. In time, Daniel did get stronger. His muscles developed slowly, and his form improved. Most importantly, he learned to respect his body and its limits. The memory of that embarrassing fall in his living room became a story he shared with humor. And whenever someone asked him about the latest viral workout online, Daniel always gave the same advice. Do not believe everything you see. Train smart, start small, and never let TikTok decide your health.